In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a kitchen set in Cinema 4D. We'll start simple, block out the space with basic shapes, and then refine everything into a clean, believable scene. Begin by creating a new scene and dropping in cube primitives. Think of these as cardboard boxes that represent your cabinets, the kitchen island, and the main appliances. Scale the room shell and place cubes where base cabinets and wall cabinets would go, then add a larger cube for the island in the center. Use additional cubes to mark out the fridge, oven, and any tall pantry units. At this stage, you're not chasing perfection, just getting the overall proportions and layout right so you can judge spacing and flow. Assign different viewport colors to each category, one for cabinets, another for appliances, another for the island, so it's easy to read the scene at a glance while you work. Once the layout feels balanced, convert those primitives to editable geometry and start shaping. Select each object, make it editable, and use tools like loop cuts, extrude, and bevel to define doors, drawer fronts, and simple panel breaks. Add gentle bevels to exposed edges. These small radiuses catch highlights and instantly make models look more realistic. For appliances, keep forms clean and slightly rounded, blocking in oven doors and control areas without getting too granular yet. If anything feels off in size, adjust it now. Editable meshes give you the flexibility to tweak width, height, and depth so your pieces sit flush and align properly. To stay organized, keep those viewport colors consistent and rename objects as you refine them. This helps you quickly isolate parts and continue polishing without confusion. As the shapes get closer to their final form, focus on even spacing between doors and drawers, consistent cabinet heights, and a comfortable pathway around the island. With the core forms in place, it's time to add details, create materials, and position everything with intention. Introduce small touches like door gaps, simple handles, and subtle panel insets. Build a few essential materials, a wood tone for cabinets or countertops, a satin metal for appliances, and a neutral paint for walls. Keep parameters modest so the materials read well without overpowering the modeling. Finally, nudge each element into its best position, align edges, set standard heights for base and wall units, and ensure appliances sit flush within their openings. Step back, check proportions, and refine any last gaps or bevels. You've now built a clean, readable kitchen set in Cinema 4D that's ready for further polish or animation.